Women often express their desires through subtle, nuanced cues rather than overt actions. These signals are deeply rooted in human psychology and body language, and recognizing them can foster a better understanding of attachment and connection. Here, we'll explore 10 key signs that indicate a woman may be feeling hungry for physical attachment. Number 1. Increased physical proximity. One of the most noticeable signs is how a woman positions herself physically. When she desires deeper connection, she might unconsciously seek to reduce the space between herself and the person she's attracted to. This could involve leaning closer during conversations, sitting nearer than usual, or finding reasons to be in the same space. What it means. This behavior signifies her desire for physical attachment and connection, as proximity often creates a sense of closeness and comfort. How to notice it. Pay attention to her movements. If she consistently gravitates toward you or finds reasons to enter your personal space, she may be expressing her interest. Number 2. Prolonged eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful non-verbal communication tool. A woman feeling a spark of desire often maintains prolonged eye contact. This lingering gaze is a way of building emotion and connection. Why it matters. Direct eye contact can stimulate feelings of closeness and trust, making it a clear sign of attraction. Subtle cues. Look for dilated pupils, a softer gaze, or frequent glances in your direction. These physiological responses often happen unconsciously and are difficult to fake. Number 3. Playful or flirty behavior. Flirting is a natural way to express romantic or physical interest. When a woman feels attracted, she may become more playful, teasing, or humorous. This behavior can range from light jokes to subtle touches that seem casual but carry a deeper intent. Examples of playful cues. She may nudge your arm, playfully disagree with you, or laugh a bit louder than usual at your jokes. Why it's important. Flirtation is often a safe, indirect way to test mutual interest without risking rejection. Number 4. Changes in voice tone. The way someone speaks can reveal a lot about how they feel. A woman experiencing desire may unconsciously change the tone of her voice. It might become softer, slower, or more melodic, as if she's drawing you in with her words. What to notice. Compare her tone when she speaks with others versus when she talks to you. A warmer or more affection tone is a strong indicator of attraction. Why it happens. These vocal changes are often a subconscious attempt to create a more personal and engaging connection. Number 5. Increased focus on appearance. When a woman is interested in someone, she might subconsciously become more mindful of her appearance. This doesn't mean she suddenly dresses dramatically differently, but may involve subtle actions like fixing her hair, adjusting her clothing, or reapplying lipstick. What to observe. Notice if she adjusts her posture, smooths her outfit, or checks her reflection when you're around. The psychology behind it. Paying attention to appearance is often a way of signaling that she values how she is perceived by the person she's interested in. Number 6. Open body language. Body language can speak volumes about how someone feels. A woman expressing physical interest often adopts open and inviting postures. She might sit with uncrossed legs, face directly toward you, or use gestures that seem relaxed and approachable. What to watch for. Look for signs of receptivity, such as leaning forward, tilting her head when listening, or smiling more frequently. Why it matters. Open body language creates a sense of comfort and trust, encouraging deeper interaction. Number 7. Touch initiation. Physical touch is one of the most direct signs of closeness. If a woman starts initiating light touches, whether it's brushing your arm, resting her hand on your shoulder, or giving a playful shove, it's often a sign she feels comfortable and attracted to you. Examples of touch. Light, casual touches on the arm, a pat on the back, or even brushing against you while walking can all be signals of interest. Why it's meaningful. Physical touch helps build emotional and physical closeness, often acting as a bridge to deeper affection. Number 8. Dilated pupils. Biologically, arousal causes the pupils to dilate, making the eyes appear larger and more engaged. While this can be subtle and hard to notice, it's a natural response that often accompanies strong feelings of attraction. How to recognize it. If her pupils seem larger and her gaze lingers longer than usual, this may indicate attraction. Why it happens. This is an automatic response to stimulation, and it can't be consciously controlled, making it a reliable indicator. Number 9. Fidgeting or nervous energy. When a woman feels nervous or excited, she might exhibit small fidgeting behaviors. This could include playing with her hair, tapping her fingers, or adjusting her jewelry. What it means: these actions often signal that she's feeling heightened emotions and is possibly trying to calm her nerves in your presence. How to notice it: watch for repetitive, small movements that seem to occur only when she's around you. Number 10. Expressed interest in physical attraction. A woman might steer conversations toward topics related to relationships, closeness, or romance. While she may not explicitly state her desires, showing curiosity about these subjects often reflects her mindset. What to look for: she may ask you questions about your past relationships, discuss romantic scenarios, or share thoughts about affection in a way that feels personal. Why this matters: engaging in these topics creates an opportunity for her to gauge your response and build emotional closeness. Final thoughts: recognizing these signs requires attentiveness and respect for personal boundaries. While these behaviors can indicate attraction, communication is key to understanding her feelings fully. Always ensure that any interaction is based on mutual consent and comfort. For more insights into human psychology and relationships, subscribe to our channel for engaging and informative content.